I could have made more money. I could have made more money. Says every single trader. What's going on, guys? It's your boy here, Billionaire Herrera, back with another video. But first things first, if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button. It's going to pop up right there. Returning viewers, appreciate you, gang. Where you been? Now, with that being said, per my earlier statement, the topic of today is going to be FOMO. And I'm going to show you a live trading session where it could pretty much create that FOMO, which for those of you who don't know, FOMO is the fear of missing out. The analysis being correct, the fundamentals, the technicals, everything was just on point. But we just didn't hold the trade till its full analysis. And that's where a lot of people, get into that FOMO state where on the next trade, they're holding it longer than they should. How a trader should follow his rules, right? Don't rush into trades because of FOMO. Don't hold trades longer than you should. Just follow those rules and those systems that you have in place, and that will keep you in this game long term. Hopefully, you guys enjoy this video, and let's just get straight into it. What is going on? And good morning with another live session. Unemployment came in a little higher than expected, so we are in for a sell at the moment. We did anticipate a sell due to structure as well. We got a head and shoulders formation on the higher time frames. Just due to news is why we jumped in this trade a little earlier. I am expecting for some type of pullback, so I will go ahead and make this trade risk free the moment I can. But for right now, just simply just waiting for this trade to develop. If it does, I'm looking to see how it reacts at the daily. So right here is my daily support level. As you can see here, it's bounced off a few times off that daily support level. We also have PMI dropping at 9:45 and 10 o'clock. So looking to see and anticipate how that moves as well. Right now, we're up about $170, $180. Of course, once it gets down there, I will move my stop loss into either break even or into profit. As you guys know, I don't like to leave the charts with nothing. But we'll see how it develops. I do have two different entries right here, as you can see. Of course, as you guys saw, I sent in earlier into the community chat. We have a more aggressive entry. So if the market were to pull back all the way up here, we'll be looking for an aggressive sell up there. If not, we'll be looking for some type of, confluences for the market to tank around this level. Obviously, we're in at the level right now, and we'll just see how it plays out. All right, real quick. Once we get to this this TP1 right here, I'm gonna go ahead and close out the position and then wait for opening bell to gain another position. It's either honestly one of two things here. Either I'm gonna wait for it to hit TP1, which is in a few seconds, hopefully. If not, we're gonna close out about 500, 510 around there. Definitely gonna go ahead and start securing profits as well. So let's go ahead and move that stop loss. Where are we at right now? Let's go ahead and close 500 flat. So at least we're going to go ahead and secure some bread. If we get stopped out there, doesn't matter at that point. We made enough money. So if we do get stopped out, we'll just wait for another position. Hopefully we don't. Obviously, we always want more. About to hit TP1. So once it hits that TP1, I'll go ahead and move stop loss into TP1. And then it is what it is from there. All right, because as you can see, we got a lot of rejection at that TP1. So definitely don't want to risk losing the gains that we made as well, right? I'm a big advocate for making money, right? The play doesn't have to hit all the way for you to go ahead and make some money. So we got a little bit to TP1. I got my stop loss and profit at 500. right? So if it kicks us out, it is what it is. Again, at that point, we made money. We just wait for the next setup. All right, so as you guys can see, we got stopped out $500 in profit for the day so far. We still got opening bell that happens in exactly 9:30, so we got about 25 minutes. Let's see how it reacts at opening bell. Hopefully, we can get a retracement back up to that level, and then we'll go from there. Facts, facts, facts. Easy money today. Easy, easy, easy money. Straight playbook. Nothing too crazy. We're not rushing plays. As you can see too, why I moved my stop loss, it's still on that trend line. So it never really broke fully on that trend line. I want to see it break the trend line and break this support level right here where we have a lot of rejection going on. And once it breaks that, then they'll be more confident into holding the trade a little bit longer. Obviously, like I told you guys before, I like to secure the bag. Nothing beats that, right? I don't have to catch the whole play to make a bag. Like, don't let ego get in between of you getting to that bag. All right, we got about 24 minutes exactly before we have opening bell. I'll see you guys in a few. All right, so just to kind of run that play back real quick on what exactly happened, the 15-minute Y decided to close out. As you can see, we just have a lot of rejection at the support level. Rejection, rejection, rejection. You go over here, rejection, rejection, rejection. It's too much rejection going on, and I didn't want to risk my profits for the sake of being right. Like I tell you guys all the time, I rather profits over ego any day of the week. So just stuck to my plan. Obviously, like I said, not every day is going to be $1,000, $2,000 day. Sometimes $500, $400, $300. It is hitting that daily support level. We want to see how it reacts there. Again, we got PMI dropping at 9:45, so not in any trades yet. But we here nonetheless. Patiently waiting. As you can see, it is bouncing off that daily support level, and it's bouncing off. Right. I like the sells a lot.
Damn!